Okay. Welcome to the Unit 2 continuation. Now we are going to see about the topic advanced techniques. What are the advanced techniques available in the extraction process? One is the sonicator. Second one is the counter current extraction process. Next one is the steam generator process. Next, supercritical gases extraction process. Then microwave assisted extraction process. So these are all the techniques which are available for the advanced conditions for the separation of the drug target in the extraction process. The first one is the sonicator. What is the sonicator actually? We are giving the sound to the samples to extract the product. So here this is the ultrasonic generator, this is the transducer, this is the booster horn. Suppose the sound is below means we can adjust the horn to induce the sound more or else we can reduce the sound. This is the cenotrode, that is the prop. So with this prop only we are entering into the sample. This sample if it is entered, then if we generated the ultrasonic conditions, then this sample, the sound will gives the vibration. This will goes to the agitation of the sample. That means the mixing of the sample. So this is called as the sonicator extraction process. Next is the counter current extraction process. This counter current extraction process, first it was developed on the 1943. In 1943, the scientist's name is called as the Lehman Craig. So this equipment is called as the Craig. So Craig extraction technique. So first we are taking as a column. So using the chromatography also we are using the column. No, in the same thing we are using the column. So here we are giving the solvent and the feed. Feed means the whatever the extraction process we have to get it. For the requirement we are giving the supplement to the feed to give, getting the drug target. So this is the extract it containing the solute. The raffinate, what is meant by the raffinate means the waste particles is coming out from this Craig equipment. No, that is called as the raffinate. So this process, this technique extraction process is called as the counter current. Why it is called as the counter current means this will give into the different direction. The best example is the two immiscible liquids. What is the two immiscible liquids? Immiscible liquids means that the best example is the water and oil, because the two liquids will not dissolve together. So the oil will be in separate condition, the water will be in the separate condition. In that condition we are giving the counter current, no current, supplying the current to get the product. So this is called as the counter current technique using the immiscible liquids. That is the best example is the water and the oil. So mostly in the lab and all we are using the hexane. And along with the hexane solvent we are using any oil or water or something. Next is called as the steam generator. So here we are giving the heat to the round bottomed flask which is containing the solvent. So this is the plant material which is the feed. So here there is a safety valve. So it will indicate if it is any dangerous condition is there, the valve will indicate to us whether we can adjust it or not. So here the steam distillation we are giving the steam, that means the vapor. We are not supplying using this heat. All the liquid will convert into the vapor. This vapor will comes out using the condenser. Here the water, because it will vapor will be very heat, no. So from that materials we are collecting here we are collecting the product. So here we are giving the water to cool the plant target product whatever we are having. So here we are cooling, here the water in and water out. This is called as the steam generator process. The next one is the supercritical gases. So at certain temperature and pressure, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is temperature and pressure. At some certain critical temperature and pressure, the fluid will turns into a gas, that is called as the supercritical gas. So this is also one of the extraction process using for the drug target. So here there's at the three temperatures, solid, liquid and gas, or the three states known. In this temperature and pressure, this is called as the triple point. So here the liquid and gas in this critical point, in this critical temperature, both it will act as a liquid and the gas. The best example is the carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The next one is called as the microwave assisted extraction process. Here the same here round bottom flask which is having the liquid. This is the magnetic bead which gives the magnetic stirrer. It will revolve the liquid sample. So using the condenser, this is the condenser, this is the water inlet and water outlet. So everything here we are doing in the steam generator process is automatic. No? Here we are controlling it using the microwave. So which controls the temperature indicator and also the power controller and also the time. This is the time. So this is one of the old method. When compared to the sonicator and also the Soxhlet apparatus, it is a very better improvement to give the higher product and also the lesser time, which save our energy also. When compared to the 15% Soxhlet, 20% sonicator, it will give the better improvement and the high product value. So this is highly valuable when compared to the other techniques, because everything we are controlling here using the power controller and the time and the temperature. Next, so what are all the factors that is affecting the extraction process? These are all the factors: process parameters, selectivity, immiscibility with the feed, boiling point, flash point, density, viscosity, feed characteristics, materials, equipments and the knowledge, chemical reactivity. So each and every factors is responsible to affect the advanced technique, because the person have to know the knowledge about the materials, how it is working, and the equipment, how it is working, or else we have to give the knowledge and awareness about the materials and equipment. The feed what you are using here, that is also the one of the responsible to get the drug target, and the what is the viscosity, that means the semi-solid nature. 7 minutes? No?
Minutes I check.
Okay. Then boiling point, at the critical boiling point, for example, hexane and all nearly 120 degree. If it is beyond that, the product will affect. Then what is the selectivity of the product you are choosing? What is the parameters? That is temperature, density, temperature, density and the viscosity, and is the chemical characteristics of the nature, and what is the chemical reactions is going to be happen. So that's all about the second unit. These are the end topics of the second unit. Thank you.